Hi everyone. In this brief screencast tutorial, we'll learn how to set up a Twitter account and to make a tweet to a given topic and also to watch that topic. So as you can see here, I am on the Twitter website, which is twitter.com. I'm going to go into this new to Twitter section and I'm going to go ahead and sign up. So you can see I've already typed in my name. I'm going to use my Gmail account since I already have my other account assigned to a Twitter account. I'm going to type in my Gmail, which is and it's going to ask me for a password, so I'm just going to go ahead and make up a password for that. Once I've done that, I've entered my full name, my email account, and a password. I'm just going to go ahead and type sign up for Twitter. In a moment, it's going to check to see if I already have an account with Twitter. So you can see it says my account works, my name works, my email is good. It tells me that I could have a more secure password. It does suggest a Twitter account for me, and I'll just go with what's there. You can also try different ones. Maybe even just do, there we go. Since DigiDoug is available, I'll go ahead and select that. Do I want to keep logged in on this computer? Sure. And I'll just go ahead and click create my account. At this point, it takes me immediately into my Twitter account, and it says get started in less than 60 seconds. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit next. It suggests some folks that I might like to follow. I'm not going to bother following anybody right now. So what I'll do is I'll scroll down to the bottom here, and you can see that there is an option for skip this step. So I'm just going to press that. Again, it's going to suggest some categories of people that I might like to follow. Again, I'm not going to bother with that. I'm just going to, again, just skip this step. And again, it's asking me, do I want to do some searches for people that I might like to follow? I'll just, again, just skip that step. So at this point, you can see that I have an account set up, but at the top of the screen, it does tell me that I have to confirm my email in order to access all of Twitter's features. So when I signed up, I used my Gmail account. So right now, I'm just going to go ahead and sign into that Gmail account. If you use the School Division account, obviously just go to your group web. So you can see I've now opened up my Gmail account, and I have this email called Confirm Your Twitter Account, DigiDoug. What I will do is I'll just scroll down. It says, hi DigiDoug, please confirm your Twitter account by clicking this link. So I'm just going to go ahead and click that, and now it'll take me right into Twitter, and my account is now completely active. It now says your account is confirmed. Thanks. So I can just close that down, and I can make my first tweet. So if I scroll off to the side, you'll see at the top of the window is a little button called, where it looks like a pen and a box. So I'm just going to click on that. When I do, a little what's happening box shows up. I have at most 140 characters that I can work with. And so I could say, for example, and as soon as I hit tweet, that just goes out to the general Twitter universe. Now, at this point, I really don't have anyone watching me. No one's really following me at this point in time, so that tweet really didn't go anywhere. But I can help that a little bit by using what's called a hashtag. And you hear hashtags used quite often when people are talking about Twitter. A hashtag is nothing more than a search term. So for example, for the FAA meeting, we'll be using the hashtag March FAA. So what I can do is click again on this Compose a New Tweet button, and I can say something along the lines of hi to everyone at, and then I'm just going to click pound, which is a assigned to Twitter users that I mean this as a hashtag, and I'll just type in March FAA. And now anyone looking for that tag will see this tweet. And so I'll just click tweet. You can see now that it's now on my timeline. Hi to everyone at March FAA. But you'll notice that the phrase March FAA is highlighted as a link. So now what I can do, if I click on that March FAA, I can see, and as you can see there aren't any yet, but I can see anybody that's used that tag in their tweets. So if somebody else were to tweet to that tag, it begins to show up on the stream. So you can see I've already said this hi to everyone at March FAA. You can see it's from me. My account is at DigiDoug. Your account will be whatever you choose it to be. And it says hi to everyone at March FAA. If I continue to search, you can see that there's one new tweet because I sent from my other account. And now you can see Doug Stevens at Dislearn says hello to everyone at March FAA. As more people post to this, by simply going back up to the top and pressing this this compose button and including this key phrase March FAA in the description, this list will grow. As always, if you have any questions on this, please feel free to give me an email or a call, and I'd be happy to help you out.